Cancer affects everyone, but it doesn't affect everyone equally. So it's important to understand who and how it can affect patients. And UNM Cancer Center has just received a new grant to help move that goal along. Joining us now to talk about this huge grant, Dr. Andrew Sussman, the principal investigator for the GMAP grant at the UNM Comprehensive Cancer Center. So, Doctor, first tell us a little bit about this award. This is a massive grant. We're talking $750,000. Is that right?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's a nice opportunity. The grant enables us to work with researchers throughout a large region of states throughout the Southwest, including California, Arizona, here in New Mexico, and Texas, as well as 4 other states.
Okay. So what is the geographical management, the Cancer Health Disparities Program? Talk a little bit about what this means.
Well, the National Cancer Institute has recognized that there are similar populations in this region, and those populations have similar kinds of problems, what we would call disparities in terms of access to care. So it may be hard for certain groups to get the recommended screening tests they need or to follow through with treatment once they identify cancer. So the National Cancer Institute has put together these regions so that we can work together and collaborate with universities and researchers throughout this 8-state region to focus on these problems together and hopefully in this collaborative way identify more effective solutions to these problems.
So now you said there's 8 states that are involved, and some of the problems that you're seeing, is it because of, New Mexico? I mean, obviously the Southwest, we have our wide open spaces.
Yeah.
But some of is it an economic situation that this will help, because people, they may say, you know what, I can't afford the health care, I'm just going to go without?
That can exactly be part of the problem. Similar kinds of groups in these states they may be isolated geographically. It may be very hard for them to get to a cancer center or seek out the care that they need. Socioeconomic problems, it may be hard for groups, particularly those that are part of this region, to seek out the care they need based on the extent of costs for seeking treatment. So there are these similar kinds of patterns of problems that these groups face, and that's why it makes sense for us to work together as a region to approach these problems together.
So as we said, 8 states involved. Now, how is the money going to be used to help these people?
Well, the money is centered here at the University of New Mexico Comprehensive Cancer Center. We have a team of staff, and together we're going to reach out and create different ways to bring these researchers together. So we're going to meet together once a year. We're going to travel to all 8 states frequently and meet with researchers to figure out how we can better partner together. We're going to create something that we call webinars or web-based opportunities to have presentations and ways to convene the group. So we're going to use the money for all those kinds of strategies. We're also going to be focused on training opportunities, so we're able to provide some funds for researchers who are training to become cancer health disparities researchers. So we'll use it in a variety of ways.
Dr. Sussman, thank you so much again.
Great.
Congratulations on the award.
Thank you.
For more information and a recap on this, folks, head over to CASA.com.